Hey everyone, this is Johnny here. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing a new pair of wireless earbud. This time around it's actually from Baseus Bowie EZ10 true wireless earphone. As you can see from picture here, the earphone itself actually looks very similar to WM01, the WM02, but trust me, the similarity only ends there. Something to take note at the front, it says here it has the BRC, which is the Baseus Rapid Charge. It also has the dual channel low latency, the DCLL, and at the back, the battery capacity for the headphone is, for the earphone, is about 40 milliamp. The charging case is about 300 milliamp and uses the Type-C interface. So let's get into it. So instantly when you pull out the whole thing, you actually see this type of presentation, very simple, minimalist. Alright, so in the wrapper, you actually see the user manual. And here you have two other items. You have the earphones itself. It's actually wrapped in this translucent white plastic. And then you have the charging cable in black color. From one end is USB-A, the other end is USB-C. And besides that would be the additional silicone seals. So let's open. Voila. So I think the very first thing you'll notice when I took it out from the plastic is actually an open design. No cover lid, everything is very exposed. The casing itself is pretty large. So on the top here, you actually see this open part is where the earbuds are housed inside. The middle you see is actually pretty shiny, and it's actually indicated here is the left and here is the right. Let's look at the front. So it's where you see the company name. Currently there's a plastic covering it. Let's remove it. Very shiny. Next at the bottom, you see some imprinting of what's about this product. This one, not too sure, maybe it's for the lanyard, something like that. At the back, USB-C charging port. Let's take out the earphones. You just need to push them out and out they come. So there's this plastic you need to remove. You expose the top, which is the touch command area, and the bottom with the two pogo pins. This is the left. And this is the right. Remove the cover seal, the sticker. They look identical to the WM01 and WM02. They have the same shape actually, the earphones. So let's put them back. Alright, so the LED light on the earphone lights up immediately once you actually put the earphones back. And you actually see the middle between the L and the R, there's like a red dot. Okay, that's probably the power indicator. So with all earphones, what I always do first is that I want to charge them up, and I have with me here is actually a USB-C cable. Right, so let's plug it at the back. So immediately you see the red light flash up first, and then it will change to a white blinking light. And then you also notice that the LED light on both earbuds are not showing up. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to leave the earbuds here to charge, and then we'll come back maybe about 1 hour or 2 hours later and see what happens. Right guys, so after leaving the charger to charge for about close to 1.5 hours, the light in the middle has actually finally turned off. So this is actually to show that it's 100% charged. Hi there, so in this segment of video, I'm actually going to be showing you Bluetooth pairing process for the Baseus Bowie EZ10. I have with me here is actually the Samsung Android Galaxy Flip 3. Open the phone, slide it open, go into settings, go into your Bluetooth, make sure it's actually switch on. Start to scan right now, so what I need to do is take out the earbuds, and boom, you can see immediately showing up. Tap on it. Request, pair, and done. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to test out the audio output, like how loud these earbuds can be. Maybe this song. So currently it's at this volume, about 50%. I can't hear anything. Now next I'm going to up it to like 100%. Right, so for information, physically I'm actually hearing the audio very clearly with my own ears. And for those of you who are actually watching this video, just for information, the camera which is actually filming this overhead shot is actually my iPhone 12 mini, and I'm not too sure if the built-in camera, the built-in microphone, you can actually pick it up. But if you can pick up the audio, do let me know. Okay, now I'm going to back it down to like 50% because I'm going to be wearing the earbuds just to hear the audio quality. Then up it up to like 80%. Okay, even at 100%, it's very comfortable. The audio is not very harsh, like it's shouting into your ear. Perfectly fine to listen to this at 100%. Okay, I'm just going to down it to like back to 50%. Let's listen to other songs. Okay, this is a remix. Alright, the bass is good, even at 100%. There's a little bit of bass, not too much, but it makes it very, the overall enjoyment is nicer. Let's try a regular YouTube video. This is like from MKBHD, is at 100%. Talking is nice. One of my thoughts of this earbud, the EZ10. I mean, it looks very similar. The shape and size is very similar to like the WM01, the WM02, and even the WM03. Would I recommend this to anyone? I mean, if you're looking for something very easy to use, very easy to operate, and it's easy on the ear, you just want something simple. I think the EZ10, really like what the name says, EZ10, alright? It's very easy to use. The casing itself is like just like this. Simple, no frills, don't even have any cover. You just need to pop back the earpiece here. Not sure it will drop out. No, it doesn't really drop out. You want to flip it. Oh, the magnets are quite strong. So the EZ10, I think, is for some of you here who want something simple, no frills, easy, general music and enjoyment. And I think this is also a very good gift as an entry level to someone. Alright, it doesn't break the bank. It's not very expensive. I think it's about $15. Yeah, okay. This has actually been my quick review and unboxing of the Baseus Bowie EZ10. My name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.